First personal foul on number 23.
Sa layata kay Paul.
Number 18, Castro. Number 19, Serrano. Bakit to Castro, wide open from the downtown, wala. Ating rebound ng Pineda. And exactly 7 minutes to play. Dito sa number si number 19. And a very special foul committed on jersey number 13. Holding foul on number 13, warning for penalty run. Second personal foul on number 13.
Third quarter niya pa, sa Nuata. Kasi ba rin nakatagal mo? Tampakan niyo na ito, baka papaw na kayo papaw. Katagal niya pa ay kay... Garo niya. Bahala.
To number 18 now, Castro. To number 11. Castro na. Pero na shot, wala. Habis rebound ng jersey number 13 na. Dari Ponce. Number 7, Wilson. Out of bounds.
Mamalagwala rin.
Simple shot clock is good shot clock at 18 seconds. Number 7, Wilson. Number 23, Pineda. Mercado sa big man. Mercado na, ini sumaya na. Akala, wala pa rin na. Number 18, Castro. Wilson, wala. Nabigyan ka ng Mercado. Number 13, Ponce.
Sino ba dala kanina itong lulog?
Kung Pineda, wala. Akala siya, wala pa rin na. Wala pa rin na. Nabigyan ka ng jersey number. Iya bata. Ada very good ball committed by jersey number. Number 15. Substitution number 23 coming out. Number 15 coming out. And number 7. And number 18 coming out. Number 15 Mercado. Third personal foul on number 15.
Malan mo! Laura Malingar, mahala na ka. Tapos kuya ba?
Yes, this looks like the budget in number 19 Serrano. Number 3 now. Number 19, Castro. Wala. Habis di mana jersey number 10. Mereka bisa jersey number 23 to number now. Yusuf Serrano. Right shot. Wala. Habis di mana Ponce. People pasang number 3 Ali Maruma. Ali Maruma. Right shot. Wala. Habis di mana Ponce. Number 19 Rivera. Ali Maruma. Hit was well. Ada very sweet then. There is a ball of number 23. Holding foul number 23.